The most frequent laundry questions I get are all about how to remove stains and how to keep white fabrics white. First of all, white fabrics require ongoing care. You're never going to be able to bring back the brilliance of a white bed sheet that's already gone yellow. Instead, the best way to keep white fabrics white is to treat them with special solutions on a regular basis. Here are a couple things you can try. Bluing solution, white vinegar in the wash, or just good old trusty bleach, whether you use chlorine bleach or an oxygen bleach like OxiClean. If you want a video that goes more in depth on keeping white linens white, leave a comment. Now, stains are a totally different thing than normal laundry. You need to know what kind of stain you're dealing with, because depending on what the stain is from, old standbys like hot water and bleach can actually make the stain worse. And no matter what you do, don't dry a garment in the dryer until you're sure the stain is completely gone. Protein stains, which are from things like blood, sweat, urine, or other bodily fluids, also eggs. These kinds of stains can be set in at high temperatures, so you'll want to use an enzyme cleaner to treat them, then wash in cold water until the stain is gone. There's one catch: wool and silk are protein-based fabrics, so you can't use enzymatic cleaners on them, which are designed to eat protein. Oil and grease stains, these happen a lot when you're cooking and eating. Do what you can to absorb the grease with baking soda or even white chalk, and then treat the stain with grease-fighting product like your basic dish soap. Most other types of stains can be treated similarly. If you spill coffee or wine, for instance, try to blot and soak the stain with cool water, then treat it with any stain-fighting product or laundry detergent. I swear by wine away. For rust stains, use a special rust remover or something acidic like lemon juice or vinegar. Now that you have these tips, laundry day should go a lot more smoothly.